I'm Jeff, and I'd like to be the first kid on the block to welcome you back to the Retired Guys Garage. What are we working on today? Well, today's going to be a real quick project. I need to be able to put a spare tire mount on my new-to-me car trailer. So, but I don't want to go through the hassle of having to weld and bolt and drill and all that stuff. So today we are going to do a no drill, no fuss, no muss spare tire mount on the trailer, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So without any further ado, let's get started. So like I said, I wanted to make this an easy project because I didn't want to go through the hassle of having to weld and drill and, you know, all that stuff. So I wanted to be able to mount a spare tire without having to do any of the hard work. So that's what we're going to do. Got this off eBay. I'm sorry, not eBay. Got this off the old Amazon website. This is a stake pocket. So unfortunately, if you want to do a no drill, your trailer will have to have stake pockets on it. These little things right here. I'll bring it down here and show you because I'm sure you can see that. So, but this is a very simple installation. Minimal tools required. A couple sockets, and that's about it. So, let me get you down where you can see what I'm talking about, and we'll get started. All right. So, like I said, you're going to need a stake pocket. Most important thing. All right. This thing just drops right in there. Pretty simple so far, right? There's a plate with a lot of nuts and bolts for some reason. I don't know why. Get this opened up. Now I see why. So what it looks like is they want you to, that really doesn't make any sense. Anyway, all right, let me look at this real quick. I might actually have to read the directions. Holy cow. Really? After reading the directions, they want you to double nut this thing so that this lessens the chance of it coming off on the road, which would be a bad day. Don't want that to happen. So I know you're not going to be able to see it, but so what you'll do is drop the drop the bolt down from the top, and it actually locks in place because there's provisions welded in here so that the bolt won't turn once you get it put in the stake pocket. So just put it in there like so, drop this into the stake pocket. You'll notice this hole is offset. It's not right in the center. So you're going to want to put the short side toward the trailer. A lock washer. Put on your first non-locking nut. And this bolt is going to be way too long, so I'm probably going to end up chopping it off so that it's not hanging down. Alright, that is step one. And let me get the correct size wrench, and we'll finish this up. I opted to use a ratcheting wrench. Absolutely not necessary. Heck, if you wanted to, you could use an air ratchet or electric ratchet. However you want to do it is fine. So get that first nut tightened down. Lock nut. And I don't know if I honestly don't remember if I said it or not, but there is a lock washer to use. I did get this off the old Amazon website, so I'll drop a link to it, of course, in the description. And this bolt, like I said, this bolt is going to be really long, so I think I'm probably going to grab my Sawzall and hack it off. Although it probably doesn't matter because it's up against the frame rail anyway. Double check that top one, make sure that one's good and tight. And it is. All right. Next thing to do is figure out where you need to put the bolts to be able to actually hold the spare tire on. I am not ready to mount the spare tire yet, but I will go ahead and get the bolts on. Get these bolts installed. So 5-hole on 4.5, 4 3/4 and 5-inch tells you that you need to put 2 bolts up on the top in the slider holes, and 1 bolt in the bottom on the slider hole, looks like. Yes, sure does. The last one of these I used actually did not have this diagram, so this is actually kind of nice. This is a Z1 Ping heavy duty stake pocket spare tire mount. Heavy duty. Alright, put your carriage bolt through. There is a locking tab that you can put on first. And of course, like I said, I'm not ready to put the spare tire on yet, so I'm just going to kind of loosely install these for right this very second. This was actually not even a project I was planning on doing today. But I had to move the car trailer because I'm fixing to get the Dreamer key out of the backyard and get started on pulling the motor and trans out of that so we can get that Crown Vic running. So that's it. Then they do give you 3 lug nuts also in the kit, and that's it. All right, let's get this one finished up. All right, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Just a real quick video on how to install a no drill spare tire mount on your trailer if you have stake mounts, stake pockets available to you. I mean, the whole video is going to be less than 10 minutes, so it literally took me probably 4 minutes to put that thing in. So simple do-it-yourself project, and much easier than drilling and burning and digging and welding and grinding and all that stuff. So I do like the double nut on the mounting bracket, kind of nice, and I do like the double nuts actually on the mounts that hold spare tire on as well. So that's also a great feature of that. So I'll drop a link to the part I used in the comments. Like I said, got it on Amazon. Oh gosh, I don't know, I paid 20 bucks for it or something like that. So cheap upgrade for your trailer. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. As always, appreciate y'all watching so very much. It means more than you'll ever know. And make sure you check out the channel for other great videos. Links to all my other socials are at the end of the video, as well as my Etsy store. If you want some merch and you'd like to help support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. We've cleared over 100,000 views, and as I said in one of the previous videos, you know, for a small channel like ours, that's amazing. And honestly, Carl and I thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So until the next time, y'all please be safe, take care of yourselves, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye for now.